Curlylocks and the Three Bears. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curlylocks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. "Is anybody in?" she asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Curlylocks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Curlylocks was hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. She ate from the middle-sized bowl. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Curlylocks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was very So 다른 거래 먼저기 단다 메리골드 나나 높생 나네레 주체 딜리지도와 Curlylocks and the Three Bears ledge. Curlylocks ledi 부모지 미인 버치라. 다 부모디 미인데 가르침 따에미 ledi 코트라들다 유스로와. 트라디 카르도 curly도. curly라나 단다 줄이 탭디 유죠. 메기나시라. locks. The locks ledi 치 페이지 니 samsila. Trachingdido. Digile lo chogumiro sams. Tange seudimella. Kilens tundata the locks led etc. And the 3 bears. Then kare Tom Sum tang ani curly bear led 부모미지라. Once there was a girl with curly hair. 두시라스 아니 kare 부모시 요레스. kare 부모디 간제저레 따디 주리티디라 주리텔레라다 따슬루레라. Her name was Curlylocks. Moramila Curlylocks ladies. One day she went into the forest near her house. Nimashila ani mora ani shinakile docheshi. Korangi nangi kambagitamhi shinala dores. She saw a cottage. Mukari thonre cottage thonres. Cottage na kambaji doji. Saja kalore. Saja tombaro na ni kamba nangjikdo dida. Dila cottage la chulo. This day kalore na this tragewa kalore chama chang di yushra na 다 춘주시면 받지 나로 this chama 나기 되게 시작해서 chama 이해돼 있는 데라 코티지라다. Is anybody in? 라 미시 유베 나나 미 유베라라. 미스 유베라라. She asked Gagetiris. There was nobody. 수카메레스. The bear family lived in the cottage. 아니 톰기 남이딘조 cottage나 되어리스. They had gone for a walk. 콘소 코리도레 잠잠나 조사레스. Curlylocks went in. Curlylocks 코리도레 나로 조사레스. 나로 도레스. She wanted to see who lived there. 뭐라 카리하 코니토레 수데고레 데라 수데고 따니토레스. Wanted to see 라나 따니토와 하코니토라 코라. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. 조즈디강라 아니 토투라라. 조차라네레 토투라. 디지기 까유숨 통레스. 다까일라네 룩스 침부로야. 부바라라 부바. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear. 아니 파팔라는 상하다 팔라라코라. bear kaza bear paladla bowl chimbushi chigures. A middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear. 아니 middle size lana 아니 kaza chungzi 기마인 게로 치중 기마인 게기 kaza 포바디 amla chitra ama bear chitres. And a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Dene khare kaza kaylanare 포바디 춘중 빼 춘주시 수치들의 Baby Bear chitres. bear tom 춘주 diche. Curlylocks was hungry. Mokhachidere toto teres. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. Mokharsavare puba chibudinala di chotu yubadi sevares. It was very hot. Di khariore pe chawuyurwa. She ate from the middle-sized bowl. Mogi khare kayu puba kima deras chichung kima di nangla sevares. It was too cold. Di pe thamuchatirwa. Two led tandadla young led miachi. Two di tandachi kharkore pe ledra. Mambu. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Just right. Curlylocks ate up all the porridge. Curlylocks then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and tiny little bed for Baby Bear. Da nyingana dudi khatongre ni ti chimbushi Papa Bear chituda ani mita chichung dewa chira kima le chitai chichung sumyo nala kima di amla chiche chungshu di chungjung derwa a tiny little be chungjung yini di ani bear chunju di chitoi ba. The big bed was very dadi jelaya chira shora ni wat sumba di nyeta la kopichimya andi mitu chi deba baby bear